The complete production package. Last video I showed you are free AI tools that automate a content business. Today I'm giving you the other tools, and if you are new here, welcome. Everything in this video is free to start, and every tool works with zero coding experience. If you watched part 1, you already know these tools are real. Today we finish the stack. These tools do things the first set of tools cannot. They protect the audience you build so no algorithm can take it from you. They turn one video into a week of content automatically. They research your topics faster than any team could. And they connect every app you use into a single automated workflow that runs without you. One of these tools is quietly paying out $3 million per month to creators. Most people have never heard of it. I will tell you exactly which one and how it works. Before we get into it, the free AI Starter Kit with all 10 tools, links, and a 4-week setup plan is in the description. Completely free. Grab it now and follow along. This is the one I mentioned at the start. $3 million per month paid out to creators on this platform. Here is how. Beehiiv is a newsletter platform. Founded in 2021 by former Morning Brew employees, the team that built one of the most successful newsletters in the world before selling it. They built Beehiiv because they knew exactly what newsletter creators actually needed. In 2026, Beehiiv hit $30 million in annual recurring revenue and a $225 million valuation. But here's the number that matters for you. Creators on Beehiiv earn $3 million per month combined through paid subscriptions, the native ad network, and cross-promotion boosts. And Beehiiv takes 0% of your subscription revenue. 0. Compare that to Substack, which takes 10% off the top of everything you earn. Here is why this matters for AutoStackNation or any channel you are building. Social media platforms are borrowed land. YouTube demonetizes channels. TikTok bans accounts. Instagram cuts reach with no warning. Your email list is the only audience asset you actually own. Nobody can take it. No algorithm controls it. And email subscribers convert to affiliate sales at 5 times the rate of social followers. Beehiiv is free for your first 2,500 subscribers. Start building it from your very first video. By the time you have 1,000 YouTube subscribers, a Beehiiv list of 500 people will already be generating more consistent income than your ad revenue. Do you know Opus Clips? 10 million creators. 172 million clips generated. Opus Clip is the largest AI video repurposing platform in the world by a significant margin, and the reason most serious content creators never manually cut short clips anymore. Here's what it does. You upload your long YouTube video. Opus Clip's AI, called Clip Anything, analyzes the visual frames, the audio, the sentiment, and the emotional peaks simultaneously. It identifies the moments most likely to perform as standalone short clips. Then it cuts them, adds captions, reformats them for vertical video, and scores each one from 0 to 100 based on predicted virality. Creators using Opus Clip report a 40% increase in watch time on average. One long video becomes 10 short clips formatted for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, automatically in under 30 minutes. The free plan gives you 60 minutes of video processing per month. That is enough to repurpose 4 full videos every month for free, with captions and vertical formatting included. The main limitation is a watermark on free exports. Starter at $15 a month removes it. Let's talk about Perplexity AI. This Plat FPRM has 45 million monthly users, $450 million in annual revenue, and a $22 billion valuation. In April 2026, It was ranked the #1 most accurate consumer AI tool, beating every major competitor, including ChatGPT and Gemini, on that benchmark. But none of those numbers are the reason it is in this video. It is here because it is the fastest research tool I have ever used. Traditional research means opening 10 tabs, skimming 10 articles, and trying to synthesize a picture of what is actually true right now. Perplexity does all of that in under 30 seconds and shows you the sources. Every answer comes with citations. Every fact is traceable. And because it searches the live web rather than training data, it finds information from this week, not from a model trained 18 months ago. Before every video, I spend 10 minutes on Perplexity researching my topic. I find angles and statistics that creators relying on Google are missing entirely. In a niche where everyone covers the same tools in the same order, original research is your competitive edge. Perplexity hands it to you in minutes. Free plan, unlimited searches, no credit card, use it every single day. 400,000 organizations across 200 countries use Make to automate their operations. In 2026, it was acquired by enterprise software company Celonis at an $11 billion valuation. This is not a side project, and it is infrastructure. Make is a no-code visual automation platform. You connect apps by dragging and dropping them on a canvas, defining what triggers what, and Make runs those workflows automatically, every time without you touching anything. Here is what a real AutoStackNation workflow looks like. I publish a YouTube video. Make detects it automatically. It posts the link to Facebook. It logs the video in my Notion content database. It sends a notification to my Beehiiv email list. It schedules an Opus Clip repurposing job. All of that happens in the background while I am already working on the next video. One workflow, set up once, runs forever. The free plan gives you 1,000 automated actions per month, genuinely enough to run a small content operation at no cost. Core plan at $9 a month scales you to 10,000 actions. For most creators starting out, free is more than sufficient. This is Tool 10. This is the one that makes all 9 before it work together. And this is what building a business while you sleep actually means in practice. Let me show you how all 10 tools actually connect. ChatGPT writes the script. 11 Labs turns it into a voiceover. InVideo builds it into a video. Canva creates the thumbnail. You upload it to YouTube. Make detects the upload. It posts to Facebook automatically. Opus Clip processes the video and produces 10 short clips. Those clips go to TikTok and Instagram Reels. Beehiiv sends an email to your list with the link. Perplexity has already given you the research for the next video. Notion has logged everything and updated your content calendar. One video, 10 tools, every platform covered, every action automated. Your only job is to produce the content. Everything that happens after you hit publish runs itself. That is the stack. That is what AutoStackNation is built on. And every single tool on this list is free to start today. 2 videos, 10 tools, 1 complete automation stack that costs nothing to start and runs your content business on autopilot. Here is the honest truth about where most people go wrong. They watch videos like this, think it sounds great, and do nothing. The tools sit on a list somewhere and nothing gets built. The people who actually change how they work are the ones who install one tool this week, just one. If you have not installed ChatGPT yet, do that today. If you have ChatGPT, set up your Beehiiv account today. One tool, this week. That is the only difference between the people watching this and the people building with it. The free AI Starter Kit in the description has every tool linked, every free plan limit listed, and a 4-week setup sequence. It is completely free. There is no reason not to have it. Next week, I am going beyond the tools. I am breaking down the exact automation workflows I use, the specific make scenarios, the Beehiiv setup, and the Opus Clip settings that produce the best clips. The mechanics behind the machine. If that sounds useful, subscribe. That video goes live next week. Thank you for watching AutoStackNation. I will see you in the next one.